watermelon kiwi milk smoothie or watermelon kiwi milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the Kiwi Smoothie Recipes and one of the most tastiest of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Kiwi Smoothie Recipes and one of the most unique of the Kiwi Milkshake recipes. We're going to make watermelon kiwi milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of kiwi, 200 grams of watermelon, 50 grams of sugar, put in the kiwi and the watermelon and the sugar. Feed to the grinder. Close and grind well. Now open. Now pour in 150 ml milk. Close and blend well. Now the watermelon kiwi milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the watermelon kiwi milk smoothie into the glass. This is the final watermelon kiwi milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the Kiwi Smoothie Recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Kiwi recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.